Hello, wonderful families. We're so glad you're joining us today for something truly special. Are you ready for a big adventure right in your own backyard? Imagine turning your garden into a place of discovery and fun. Today we're setting out to grow the world's largest fruit, a jackfruit tree. It's not just any plant, it's a giant among fruits, and it all starts with a single seed. Imagine watching a tiny seed transform day by day into a towering tree right outside your window. Every morning you'll see it stretch a little higher. This isn't just about gardening, it's about making memories, sharing laughter, and learning together as a family. Growing a jackfruit tree teaches kids patience, responsibility, and the magic of nature. It's a living lesson that keeps on giving. It's a hands-on lesson in where our food comes from, how plants grow, and how we can help the earth by caring for living things. Your family will get to dig, plant, water, and watch as your tree grows taller every week. Each step is a chance to work together and celebrate small victories. One day, after months of care, you'll taste the sweet fruit you grew as a team. A delicious reward for your hard work and patience. This project is about fun, food, and family. It's about coming together and enjoying the fruits of your labor, literally. So grab your gardening gloves, your biggest smiles, and maybe even a sun hat or two. We'll guide you step by step, choosing the perfect spot, planting your tree, and caring for it as it grows strong and tall. Everyone in the family can help, from the smallest hands to the tallest helpers. Gardening is for all ages. Get ready to grow not just a jackfruit tree, but a forest of happy memories and joyful moments together. The great jackfruit adventure starts now. Gather your family and let's make this journey unforgettable. Let's get started and see how big your dreams and your tree can grow. Every day is a new chapter in your garden story. This is your family's story, written one sunny day at a time. Ready? Let's dig in and watch the magic happen. Your jackfruit journey begins here. Let's make it unforgettable together as a family. Know you've been a good friend. Every jackfruit tree needs a sunny, spacious home to truly thrive and reach its full, magnificent potential. Just like us, it loves to bask in the warmth and light. Jackfruit trees absolutely adore sunlight. At least 6 to 8 hours of bright, direct sunshine every single day is what they crave. The more sun, the better. Make it a fun adventure. Go on a sun hunt with your kids and explore every corner of your yard. See where the sunlight lingers the longest and shines the brightest. Be sure to pick a spot with plenty of open space. Your jackfruit tree will grow tall and wide, so it needs room to stretch out, far from houses, fences, or other big plants. Grab a measuring tape and imagine your future giant. Let your kids help measure out the space. This makes it real and exciting for everyone. Good airflow is just as important as sunlight. Choose an open area where gentle breezes can move freely, keeping your tree healthy and happy. Avoid crowded corners or spots blocked by walls, sheds, or thick bushes. These can trap heat and block the wind, making it harder for your tree to flourish. When your tree's leaves are dry and well ventilated, it means your jackfruit is in the perfect spot for healthy growth and fewer pests. Think of this as a fun family puzzle. Solving it together makes the adventure even more memorable and brings everyone closer. Once you've found the perfect place, mark it with a special stone, a colorful flag, or even a painted stick. Make it a family tradition. This marked spot will soon become the future home of your amazing, fruit-bearing giant. A place where memories will grow alongside your tree. Always remember, sunshine, space, and fresh air are the 3 essentials for a thriving jackfruit tree. These are the building blocks of a healthy garden. Finding the perfect spot is the first big step in your jackfruit journey. It's a moment to celebrate and look forward to what's ahead. Let your kids help decide and celebrate when you find it. Their excitement will make the experience even more special. This is where your adventure truly begins, right here, with everyone gathered and ready to start something new. The right home sets your tree up for a lifetime of strong, healthy growth and delicious fruit for years to come. Ready to move on? Let's prepare the perfect bed for your new friend, making sure the soil is just right for planting. Your jackfruit tree's future starts with this choice. Make it count, and you'll be rewarded with a tree that thrives. The search for the perfect spot is a memory in itself, a story you'll tell for years as your tree grows. Don't forget to take a family photo at your chosen spot. Capture the moment you all started this journey together. This is the beginning of something big, a project that will grow along with your family. Gather your tools and get ready to dig. The real fun is about to begin. Your jackfruit's new home is waiting, ready to welcome its newest resident. Onward to the next step. Let's make your jackfruit dream a reality. Now that you've found the perfect spot for your jackfruit tree, it's time to get your hands a little dirty and start preparing the soil. This is where the real magic begins. Preparing the soil is like setting the stage for a great performance. The healthier the soil, the happier your tree will be. Jackfruit trees absolutely love rich, loamy soil, soft, crumbly, and full of life. Avoid soil that's too sandy or sticky, as it can make it hard for roots to grow strong. Mix in plenty of compost for extra nutrients. Think of it as a superfood smoothie for your tree, packed with everything it needs to thrive. Composting is a fun science project for kids, turning kitchen scraps into plant food. It's a great way to teach them about recycling and the wonders of nature. Good drainage is essential too. Dig a hole, fill it with water, and watch how fast it drains. If the water disappears within a few hours, your soil is just right. If water sits too long, don't worry. Just add some sand or gravel to help it flow better. This keeps your tree's roots from getting soggy. Check the soil's pH with a simple kit. Jackfruit trees like it slightly acidic, around 6 to 6.5. It's a quick test that makes a big difference. Compost usually helps balance the pH naturally, making your soil just right for planting. Preparing the soil together is a wonderful way to teach kids about nature's cycles and teamwork. It's a bonding experience that connects everyone to the earth. Let your children help mix, dig, and test the soil. Their curiosity and energy make the process even more rewarding. This step gives your tree the best start possible, setting it up for strong roots and healthy growth. Healthy soil means a healthy, happy tree that will reward you with shade, beauty, and delicious fruit for years to come. It's a hands-on way to learn about sustainability and caring for the environment, lessons that last a lifetime. Your tree's bed is ready. Time to plant. Gather your family and get ready for the next exciting step. Every handful of soil you add is a step closer to your first jackfruit harvest. Imagine the day you'll pick your own fruit. Celebrate this milestone with your family. You've worked together and created something special. The foundation is set for years of growth. Your tree is ready to grow tall and strong. Let's get planting. Your jackfruit tree is about to meet its new home. The adventure continues, and the memories you make will last for generations. Planting day is here. Whether you start with a sapling or a seed, this is a moment to remember. Saplings are easiest for beginners. Choose one with bright leaves and a strong stem. If you're planting from seed, dry it for a day before planting. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball, or use a huge pot with drainage holes. Gently place the sapling in the hole, keeping the top of the roots level with the ground. Fill in with your rich soil, patting it down softly. Water deeply to help the roots settle. Let kids help hold the tree straight and fill the hole. Planting is teamwork. Everyone can join in. Take a family photo with your new tree. This is the start of something big. Celebrate your hard work. Your jackfruit tree is now part of your family. Watch it grow, day by day. The journey has truly begun. Your jackfruit tree is planted. Now it's time to care for it. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Let kids be the official water watchers. Feed your tree with organic fruit tree fertilizer a few times a year. Prune broken or crowded branches to help sunlight and air reach every leaf. Grown-ups can prune, but kids can help spot which branches need a trim. Check for bugs or spots on leaves. Healthy trees fight off most problems. Weekly check-ins teach kids responsibility and observation. Good care means a strong, fruitful tree. Every task is a lesson in nurturing and patience. Watch your tree grow bigger and stronger each season. Your family's care will be rewarded with a thriving giant. Make your jackfruit adventure fun for everyone. Let kids decorate the pot with paints and drawings. Start a jackfruit diary. Draw, measure, and record your tree's growth. Press leaves, track watering, and celebrate milestones in your journal. Kids can be compost champions, collecting scraps and turning the pile. Give them a camera to document the journey. Photos and journals create a lasting memory book. Every job gives kids ownership and pride in the project. Turn gardening into a game. Who spots the first new leaf? Celebrate every small success together. These activities teach creativity, responsibility, and teamwork. Your family's story grows with every task. The Jackfruit Project is as much about fun as it is about fruit. Enjoy every moment. After months of care, it's time for the Great Jackfruit Watch. One day, you'll spot tiny, bumpy green fruits on your tree, baby jackfruits. Now, patience is key as you watch them grow into giants. Teach your kids to be fruit detectives. Look for color changes from green to yellowish brown. The bumps on the fruit flatten and spread as it ripens. Tap the fruit. Ripe jackfruit sounds hollow. Smell it. A sweet, fruity aroma means it's almost ready. Let kids check the clues daily and record them in the diary. Harvesting is a big job. Grown-ups cut the heavy fruit, kids cheer and supervise. The excitement builds as harvest day approaches. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. The Great Jackfruit Watch brings the family together. Celebrate every new discovery. Your patience is about to pay off. The grand finale is near. Get ready for Harvest Day. Harvest Day is here. Time to celebrate. With gloves and shears, carefully cut the heavy jackfruit, letting it land softly. Kids are the cheerleaders and official spotters. Admire your giant fruit, feel its bumpy skin and marvel at its size. Take lots of family photos with your harvest. Cut open the jackfruit together. Inside are golden pods, sweet and delicious. Eat the fresh fruit or cook the unripe parts in savory dishes. Let kids help separate and wash the pods. The first harvest is a milestone. Celebrate with a jackfruit feast. Invite friends and family to share your success. Show off your jackfruit diary and photos. Sharing your homegrown fruit is deeply satisfying. This day is a core memory for your family. Your teamwork and dedication have paid off. The journey from seed to feast is complete. Enjoy every bite. You earned it. Your jackfruit tree is more than a plant. It's a living memory of your family's journey. You've grown patience, responsibility, and teamwork along with your tree. Kids have learned where food comes from and the value of caring for living things. The jackfruit diary and photos capture your adventure and growth. Every task, from composting to harvesting, taught a lesson wrapped in fun. The garden became your classroom and playground. These shared experiences are the roots of strong family bonds. Long after the last fruit is eaten, your tree stands as a reminder of your time together. The sweetest harvest is the memories you've grown. Thank you for joining the Great Jackfruit Adventure.